Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to Top Tips. This tip today is one that was actually a reason that I subscribed to someone's channel. I thought it was brilliant and I thought if she could come up with this idea, I want to watch this lady. So check this out. Oh, by the way, her channel's not on YouTube anymore. I know a lot of you guys will be asking me what's her channel, and I would share it, but it is no longer on YouTube. She has retired. Okay, check this out. So these are our sticky tape products. You know, the ones that you guys probably have them in a different format. They're the kind that you can tear and you don't have to have scissors to use. They're awesome, but we don't have like a dispenser for them. So I want to show you this. So I was watching this lady craft one night, and this is what she did. She took her sticky tape, let me find the end of it, here it is, and she put her hand through it like so, and she took the loose end and put it on her finger like this. And she made for herself a tape dispenser using her hand, and I thought it was brilliant. And I went, why have I never done that? Because what I would do is this. I would find this little piece and I would hold it like this, and I would try to get it right where it goes and use both of my hands. And when she did that, I was like, I am hooked. So again, she put her hand through, put her finger on it, and when it came time to apply it, she could just put it where it goes, tear it off, and then she even still had her finger here. Let me show you. So here's a piece. We'll just use some. You can tell I've been filming, right? If you watched other top tips, you've seen this piece. Okay, so here's what she did. She stuck it down like this, and then she tore it. Now, she used her finger like this, but look, she didn't lose the end, and it wasn't messy, and it's all kind of like a dispenser, right? And then you just pull your finger away, close it down, and you're done. Let me show you this with the bigger tape as well. It works with your wider tape the same. Put your hand in, lift this up and put your finger on it and use it like a dispenser. I think this is a great tip. You're not losing it. It's not flying off, and your hand works perfect for that. So there you go. How to use your hand as a tape dispenser for your sticky tape products. A brilliant tip, and I'm so glad I saw it. And her name was Jane, by the way, and I just wanted to give her credit for that because that is how I learned to do this. Hey, thanks so much for watching, guys. And remember, subscribe to this channel. When the Product Parade channel reaches 100,000 subscribers, we're giving away a machine of the winner's choice. A Cricut, Brother Scannicut, a Silhouette, whatever the winner chooses, we're going to be giving that away. So be sure to subscribe. That's all you got to do. Subscribe to the channel. It reaches 100,000 and we'll do our giveaway. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.